Carmen, at this point, unfortunately, everything is still up in the air, though the governor's office says there is still a chance that those kits could arrive overnight. But towns and cities were alerted about the delay just in case, though some have already gone ahead and canceled their events for tomorrow. Here in Hartford, though, the distribution is definitely still a go. The City of Hartford, one of the only communities in the state that can say with confidence that at-home COVID-19 test kits will be distributed on Thursday.
We were lucky enough to have placed an order and have that order be delivered this week. And so it was an embarrassment of riches when the state told us that they were going to be able to provide us with additional testing kits.
The city not impacted by a shipping delay for the 3 million kits the state had ordered. Governor Lamont issuing a statement on Wednesday evening saying the test kits had not arrived in Connecticut yet, describing the issue as, quote, clearly a shipping and distribution bottleneck on the West Coast amid unprecedented international demand for tests. For many towns and cities that plan to begin distribution as early as Thursday morning in some cases, that means it's unclear if that will still be happening. New London's mayor's office says they hope to have an update by 8:30 a.m. whether the kits will still be handed out at C.B. Jennings School in the afternoon. Watertown said they're still planning to distribute kits Thursday unless they don't arrive by then. New Haven officials also considering themselves lucky because their distribution plans were set for Friday.
We wanted to get them out on Thursday, but we actually discussed the fact that, hey, if something happens and there's a delay in us getting them, let's not hold our feet to the fire and try to do it on Thursday.
Officials all over the state had to come up with plans quickly. The governor just announced on Monday that the first 500,000 kits the state ordered would be arriving this week. In most cases, people will have to show an ID that proves they're a resident in the town or city they're picking up the kit in, and they'll be handed out on a first-come, first-served basis.
We're doing this across the city with multiple timeframes to allow our shift workers and other essential workers to have access to these tests.
Officials say it's an important part of helping to meet the increased demand for testing here in Connecticut, especially as cases continue to rise.
We're at war here. We are at war. And we've got it. We really have to come out with every strategy we can to ensure that people are going to be provided with, test kits, with N95 masks.
Distribution here at the Hartford Public Library's downtown branch will be happening tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. And to learn where you can find a test kit in your community, you can head to fox61.com. And of course, as we learn more about when those kits arrive here in Connecticut, we'll keep you updated. Live in Hartford, Gabby Molina, Fox 61 News.